Alrighty, so let's dive in here. So we're on step 6. We need to modify our Spring Boot app. The REST repository needs a new method. For this, we need to swing over to IntelliJ so we can make updates to our Spring Boot application. Let's zoom in here and let's move down to our DAO package and open up our product repository, because this is the one we'll actually add our new method. Expand the window here for a second. And I'll add one of those new query methods. So just make sure you have the correct imports up top here for page and pageable. And just as a refresher here, this is a query method because it starts with find by. We're going to match by category ID, and we'll use this parameter value based on the ID parameter. And then also remember, behind the scenes, Spring will execute a query similar to select star from product, where category ID equals, and they plug in that given parameter value. Again, remember, this is all the Spring magic that happens in the background. Spring will parse that method and execute the appropriate query. And then also, Spring Data REST will automatically expose the endpoint based on that given method name. So search, find by category ID. And then here we have the ID, and that's what we pass over to that given REST API. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and run this version of our Spring Boot application and view the results. So if you have your app running, be sure to stop it now, and then we'll go ahead and start it up. And then I'll simply open up a web browser and I'll go to a given endpoint just to test this out to see how it works. So I'll go to localhost 8080/API/products/search, and then I give that method name, find by category ID equals, and then I give ID equal, and I pass in whatever the value is, 1, 2, 3, or 4. So I enter the value of 1, so I'm getting all of the books. All right, these are all the books that are being passed back. Cool. If I give the ID equals 2, then I'll get coffee mugs. Okay, coffee mug, coffee mug. All right, that's fine. And a similar thing here for the other category IDs of 3 and 4, mouse pads and luggage tags, respectively. All right, so we know that our REST API is working properly, and we know that if we pass in a given category ID, it'll give us only products for that given category.